Well, are used to reading the blogs, we're going to start trying to do something a little bit different. We're on the road, we're going to report back about some of the things we've experienced. And today, I'm here with Texas Hunger Initiative's Doug McDurham, talking at the Houston Food Bank's Hunger Free Texans Conference. We've had a chance to visit with a lot of organizations that are doing some amazing work relating to food insecurity. And I just had a chance to talk about the Community Partner Recruitment Initiative in front of the big group. So it's been an inspiring day, Doug. I wonder if you have any thoughts on what you've heard or seen today?
Sure. Well, I'll start with what I've seen. I wish all of y'all could see this facility. The Houston Food Bank is one of the largest, if not the largest, food bank in the country, and it is an amazing facility. They have the science of this down pat. So a group can come in, check in over here, get scanned in, get into a training room, and be on the floor doing volunteer work, helping address hunger issues in no time flat. They know the business of this. So it's just cool to be in this environment. It's really exciting. But all of the folks that are here today, they're just really, a lot of the rock stars in the food security world are here, and it's really cool and inspiring to hear from them. Craig Gunderson, one of the folks that started off the day, he is so knowledgeable about the economics of all these issues and how these pieces fit together to think strategically on a big scale. So hearing from him was cool. Reverend Marco Tegel from Bread for the World is one of the most fun guys. You had, I don't know, you thought it was great. I'm thinking that I would feel sanely self-conscious of having to follow a reverend who is such a good public speaker. But great message, reminding us the importance of communities of faith being invested in this work. The role that your churches could play. You did a great job.
Appreciate that. LaMarco was a rock star. We've had a chance to meet a lot of rock stars throughout this week, and guess what? You can do that too. And so we hope that we can leave this place today and then begin to connect with you and figure out how you can address food insecurity in your local community through the Community Partner Recruitment Initiative or a myriad of other ways. So if you're interested at all, shoot me an email. Again, that's Scott@texasmtech.org. We'll look forward to talking with you.